This is going to be great about Doritos Bear and Dog Super Bowl. Take a look.
Do not play fetch. Thanks, Grandma. Why don't you fetch me some Doritos? Fetch me a bag full of Doritos. Fetch me a bear naked.
What do you think about... We're screaming like a man. Did you see that? That's great! Gigabyte Productions VGCP. Take a look. This is a funny bear and screaming. This is great. A new video. Thanks for watching. And subscribe on YouTube. Bye! Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks, bye.